At a time like this, where we think equity markets could be consolidating for a year or two, clients should be asking their advisors several key questions. Number one, am I okay? Is my portfolio going to provide me with my spending needs over the next couple of years? One thing that's changed in the last 6 or 12 months is that the return on cash has actually gone up. And that may be a time to raise cash now if your spending needs are going up. We also think there's opportunity to invest in the next several years in risky assets, and we think those opportunities are going to present themselves at various times. So let's ask your advisor, what are those opportunities where I can make outsized returns? A company's ability to sustain its competitive advantage is critical in an environment where the macro is getting tougher. What we look for in a sustainable business model are key components. Number one is they need to be high quality companies with defendable franchises. They need to be able to generate high returns on capital. Second thing we look for is pricing power. Are these companies actually able to raise prices when their costs are going up? And these are critical variables to consider when you're thinking about business models that are sustainable in a more difficult macro environment. 2018, our views were not nearly as bullish as they've been in 2016 and 17. Our view is that growth is peaking, but that doesn't necessarily mean recession is coming forth. However, the peak rate of change in growth always does bring tougher times in equity markets, which is why equity markets are basically flat this year with a lot of volatility. So we think that period of peaking growth is likely to continue for the next 6 or 12 months. And we also believe that interest rates have moved up in a way that now present a constraint on valuation. We think this is an environment to be tactical, take advantage of price opportunities on the downside, and also to take advantage of prices on the upside and to take some risk off the table at times. That kind of environment presents both risk and opportunity, and our advisors can hopefully get you into areas where those opportunities are greatest.